Good day and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to draw the above line problem. I will start by drawing the square. As you can see from the diagram above, the square is of size 90 millimeter. That is, each side of the square is 90 millimeter in length. So I will draw my square. Next, I will divide the square into 9 equal parts. Now to do that, I will first mark 3 points on the left side of the square. That is, I will divide the left side of the square into 3 equal parts. And since each side of the square is 90 millimeters, so I will mark off points of 30 millimeter interval on the left side of the square, and also I will do the same for the bottom side of the square. So after marking the points, I will draw a horizontal and vertical line from the points I marked, so the square can be divided into 9 equal parts. Next is to divide, that is the subdivision, that is the 9 equal square, into subdivisions using horizontal or vertical line, depending on how it is indicated in the question above, that is the diagram above. So I think the only square I'm not dividing with horizontal and vertical line is the middle square. So I will first do so by marking points. That is, since each side of the sub-squares are 30 millimeter in length, so I will mark off points 10 millimeter interval. That is in order to divide it into 3 equal parts. Now I'm done with the markings. Next, I will draw the lines of division. Next, there are 2 diagonal lines at the middle here, and there are thin continuous lines. Now, all that is left is the dimension. So we are done with the above drawing. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this in engineering drawing. Also, if you have any question, you can message me on WhatsApp. The number displayed is my WhatsApp number.